Heading off, heading south. Me and the big fella. Yeah, boy.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. We want you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. We want you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page.
Activated full chill mode. Had a little surf this morning. Perfect little waves. And I'm just chilling out, drinking a beer with the big fella. Big Chuck boy. Yo. The old eagle eye. Bring in some fly screen, because last night there was bugs in here. This should do the trick. Good enough! These little legs go. Come on. Come on. Oh, what's he doing? Come here. Chugging boy. pop a little butt in your face. That's nice. Oh. Go, buddy. Come on. Oh. Oh. Chuck. Finally, for this trip, we got some fire. So we can do some potatoes on the fire. So keen. Hopefully they work out. Yeah, I reckon. Oh, baby. They look all time. They look really good. Oh, man. First attempt. Pretty good. Yummo. I'm keen. Bit of fish, bit of salad, mate. Come on. Bit of Chucky barking in the background. He's a good boy. Hey guys, so it's not clickbait, I did sell the van, but we've just got home a few days ago and the van sold, sad to see. Had a lot of fun with that thing, but I have bought another car. It's not a van, but give us a comment below, have a cheeky guess, see if you can figure out what it is. There'll be a bit of work going into it. It's a different thing, a different lifestyle, but I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.